Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps. Today we are launching our Market Day collection featured here in front of me. I will also be talking about a brand new product launch at the end of the video. I'm sure you have absolutely no idea what new product we could be launching. On the table I have all the soaps that are available in the Market Day collection, but of course I'm keeping this one hidden in its box so that you don't see the reveal until we've made the soap. So without further ado, let's make olive and Moroccan spice. Okay folks, I know I have a lot of things on my table. You can see the colorants in the back. You can see the fragrance oil. It's just because there are so many things going on with this soap. I don't have enough room on my table for all the different colors and containers, etc. This is going to be, quite frankly, just a more complicated design. And I don't typically use this much color, but you know what? It's gonna be great. And I'm gonna blend it all up. And I have under blended this. I would never blend so little, that was about 10 to 15 seconds ish, and then mix in fragrance oil and pour this. But because I have so many different layers, I know I'm going to be blending more and more with the stick blender as time goes on, so I'm not worried about it. I find that even if I under blend a little, I don't have a lot of fallout. I don't have a lot of things like fall to the bottom or come out of solution. It just gets a little bit grainy over time. Okay, this is our first layer. This is supposed to be like the market stall base, if you will. Gonna pour in my colorant. This is supposed to be like the wooden stall itself, what you would be showcasing your wares on. And what things are you selling at your market? Well, what would you like to sell at a market? Let's do the question of the day early today. If you could sell anything at a market, what would you sell? You don't have to have the means to do it right now. I just want to know like your dream item to sell to people at a great price at a market. I have so many things I would like to sell at a market. I would love to sell beeswax candles. I think that would be so great to have, especially if they were like really inexpensive and a really good deal for people. All right, I'm gonna pour in some of my fragrance here. Oh, it smells so good. This would be so good in a candle, not gonna lie. Fragrance oil is performing beautifully. Let's go ahead and get it into our mold. Oh, everything's in my way today. Pour it in and get it as level as possible. We're also gonna scrape every little bit out of our container. We will not be returning to this for the top of the soap. All right, now we're going to do our blue sky background. This is performing so well. I could not be more pleased. Basically, it's like you're looking through the stall to see like the outdoors behind it. For this one, we're going to be adding in some blue. This is Blue Shocker. This is from Mad Micah's. A very bright blue with our TD. Gonna mix this one in with our blender. Beautiful. Let's add in our color here. And we got to move along relatively quickly to our next layer because the next layer has 6 different colors in it. I know. What was I thinking? All I have to say is that I know it's going to be worth it. Okay, this is getting blended in by hand. Again, the fragrance working so well. Beautiful. All right, let's get this in the mold. That other layer is absolutely rock solid at this point. Gonna pour all of our blue in. Awesome. No need to leave anything for the top. This whole entire bit is going in. Let's see if it's set up enough for me to make some divots in it. It appears so. Katie, why are you doing that? Well, I want it to look a little bit like a shop awning. That's why. The end pieces here get cut off and go into our sampler packs. So I don't have to be worried about these edges right here. Perfect. All right, we're gonna leave it just like that. Not overthink it. Again, we're not going for hyper literalism here. So it's just soap. Now the finale layer, the big one. I have got 5 accent colors, 5, and they're all inspired by market colors in Marrakesh markets. All right, we've got all of our little cups here. Start with our blue. Pour that right in. Next, our green, then our yellow, our red, and our purple. Let's see if our mini whisk is strong enough to get this mixed up. Now that I've got most of it mixed up, I'm just gonna blend it with a spatula. Make sure there's nothing sitting at the bottom. I am going to use some of these colors on the top of the soap, so it is kind of important that I get all the way down to the bitsy bottom of the cup. Okay, I'm gonna put my soap here on an angle so I can mix it up properly. Nice. Okay, now I can mix the rest of it in by hand. Also, I think I have a skinnier spatula to mix up the other ones. All right, let's go around, make sure this all gets incorporated properly. Good, last layer. All right, now I have to mix in all of the fragrance oil by hand really quick into these little containers. Can't have any lingering on the side walls or any unincorporated batter because it'll definitely wreck the way this looks. And then I'm setting these off to the side. There's a couple of these colors I really want to make sure don't get mixed up that much just because they don't really jive that well. They'll all look good together, but it won't look good if they wreck everything and start mixing. Okay, everything has been blended in really well. I'm going to start by pouring in each of these colors. 1, maybe more than that, maybe about that much, about half. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew, that didn't go exactly as planned, but I think it's gonna be okay. This is hard as a rock at this point, so I'm just gonna start by drizzling front and back, side to side. Oh, I think this is gonna look bomb. Okay, now I only have a little bit left. Gotta get all the white off the side walls. Okay, then put a little bit more of those colors in, saving a little bit for the top. Try to get some of these colors where they weren't before so that everyone has some of all the colors. Perfect. Oh, this is turning out marvelous. Even better than I had imagined. Woo! Oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay, now I have a little bit left of all the colors. I'm just gonna mix them up and gently pour them down top to bottom like so. I do have enough to do this for all the colors, so I just think this sort of swirl is gonna look dope. Oh, I'm so glad I decided to do this many colors. I really wondered if I was gonna be like, Katie, what are you doing? You guys, I am not going to lie to you. This is taking so long, but I just know this is like one of the things where you're like, if you're making soap as art, it's going to be worth it. These swirls are going to be insane. Okay, I'm gonna have to go really fast because that took forever. Oh yes, just look at that. I am using the end of the smallest paintbrush that I have because everything else is gonna be too wide. It's gonna be too disruptive. Just go around the edges here real quick. Perfect. All right, let's tap that down. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Wait a minute. I just remembered something. I got this box from Glint Glitters, okay? They wrote me the sweetest little note. Glint Glitter on TikTok and Glint Glitters on Insta. Biodegradable glitters. Tell me this is not the perfect glitter for this soap. This is 10 grams of 016, and they have other really, really pretty options in here. But this right here, hello? Like, hello. Oh my gosh. It's perfect. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. A little bit more. Normally, I would have spritzed this beforehand, but I kind of forgot. So I'm gonna spritz it now real quick. That was worth every painstaking second, I can tell you that. This soap took twice as long as other soaps do. Worth it. And the fragrance, incredible. I'm not changing a diggity darn thing about it. Not even to make it easier to make. Here's what I am gonna do though. I am gonna wipe down my table because I've got a ton of glitter on it. Wow, even the cleanup is pretty with this one. I can't wait to cut into that one. As you continue to make soap, you get a lot better at waiting. This is taking me back to when I first started making soap, and it was like you come in and check on it 9 times. This is gonna be one of those because I can't wait to see how these color payouts are in about 24 hours or so. That's how long we'll wait, and then y'all can come back. We will split up this loaf, cut them into bars, and then take a look at the inside after this quick commercial break. That is if you don't have like YouTube Premium. Wow, these colors the next day, I'm not changing a darn thing about the colors, especially the ones on top. What I might change is the other 2 colors. I haven't really decided. But like, let's see if you guys can see the vision. We'll take one here from the middle. This is supposed to be like the canvas top of a market stall. This is like the blue background, and then this is supposed to be like a table. This looks right to me. I don't know about the rest of it. Like, I really love the top, and I just don't know how I feel about the rest of the bar. I also really like the wave in there because it really does look like a canvas top. But I love the color. They've come out exactly like what I wanted. They're very bold, very vivid, and they didn't get too swirled together. Like this is like a perfect example. And then the top is gorgeous. Yes, yes, it's so pretty. Okay, now that you've actually seen me make and cut the soap, we can replace it and y'all can see the full collection lined up in a row. These soaps are available while supplies last. Tonight at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, royaltysoaps.com. We have been selling out of our collections before the end of the month. So if there's a soap here that you see that you really want, I would head over to the website this weekend. I would also head over to the website because we are launching our brand new Castor hand soap. We actually did a soft launch of this product and it received rave reviews. So what makes our hand soap amazing? Well, first of all, it is real soap. It's a Castor recipe, which means it's made of mostly olive oil and all of the oils are organic. Again, real soap, not a synthetic detergent. And this formula specifically has soothing aloe vera in it. And not to toot my own horn or anything, but the hand feel of these particular soaps is super soft, super nourishing. Again, we only got positive feedback on our soft launch, and now I'm just so excited to get these on the website for you guys. Again, available with the rest of the Market Day collection. We are launching with 5 fragrances that are proprietary and exclusive to Royalty Soaps. And because I know not everybody's kitchen, bathroom, or sink area is exactly the same, I'm launching these formulas in 2 different packaging options. We have an amber bottle, and then we have this frosted clear bottle, again, just so that you can match your kitchen or living space a little bit better. Both packaging options are on the same listing, so pick your fragrance and then pick your packaging. And this weekend only, you can buy 2 or more soaps and get 15% off all of the liquid hand soaps in your order. Again, if you buy 2 or more liquid hand soaps, you will get 15% off of those liquid hand soaps. The discount is applied automatically. You do not have to enter a coupon code. Also, for the girlies who want to use only essential oils as fragrance, I got you. Read those ingredients for yourself, bestie. You guys have asked me in previous videos to tell you some scent descriptions for each of the individual bar soaps. So for oat milk and honey, the fragrance notes are jasmine, honey, tonka, French vanilla, soy milk, and almond. For olive and Moroccan spice, the notes are green peppercorn, bergamot, saffron, vetiver, sweet olives, and Mediterranean fresh air. For lemon and thyme, the fragrance notes are Italian lemon, orange rind, lemongrass, eucalyptus, rosemary, and sage. For tomato leaf and basil, the scent notes are bergamot, verbena, white flowers, lemon citron, and green leaf. And for our Market Bouquet frosted soap, the scent notes are freesia, hyacinth, peony, white musk, lily of the valley, and jasmine. It's a true floral. I'm so excited. I also get so nervous before a launch day like this, but I hope you guys absolutely love these new liquid hand soaps. I hope you love this entire collection. We have 2 more soaps from this collection that we will be making here on YouTube shortly. So you guys be sure you do something fun for yourself today, whether that is going out with friends tonight and enjoying the cool springy summery weather, or maybe chilling with your family like I'm about to do, because today is Pollyanna's 13th birthday. That's right, our little baby girl Pollyanna is a teenager! But you guys know I don't really care what you do, just do something for yourself today, and I will see you all in the next video. So until then, bye for now!